Hey beauties! Welcome to my YouTube channel Beauty Club. Hello, beautiful souls. Today, I'm here to share with you the top reasons why adding face toner to your skincare routine can make all the difference in achieving that enviable glow. So, let's jump right into it. Number 1. Balancing pH levels. Face toners are formulated to help balance the pH levels of your skin. Our skin's natural pH is slightly acidic, but factors like cleansing, environmental stressors, and certain skincare products can disrupt this balance. Toner restores the pH, allowing your skin to function optimally and maintain a healthy glow. Number 2. Deep cleansing. Even after cleansing your face, traces of dirt, oil, and impurities can linger on your skin. Face toner acts as a second line of defense by deeply cleansing and removing any remaining residue. It helps unclog pores, prevents breakouts, and promotes clearer, healthier skin. Number 3. Hydration boost. Many toners contain humectant ingredients like hyaluronic acid and glycerin that attract and retain moisture. Applying toner after cleansing helps to hydrate and plump the skin, providing a refreshing and revitalizing effect. Well-hydrated skin appears more youthful, supple, and naturally radiant. It can provide a soothing, refreshing sensation while also tightening the pores. This rejuvenating effect helps to create a smoother canvas, evens out the skin tone, and gives you that enviable radiant glow. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel Beauty Club. See you in the next video. Till take care of yourselves. Bye.